Hey gang, Poppy here, Caffeine BS for the 5th of July 2019. June was an unseasonably cool month, and we had even had some rain. July's not going to be that way. All the heat we didn't get in June, we're getting in July here now. Well, yeah, hell froze over down in Barstow. It's breaking loose up here, burning everything. Oh man, it's hot. It's hot. Apparently, Alaska is in the grips of a gigantic heat wave. I mean, Alaska's getting baked. Sure. I'm a baked Alaska. That's his fried ice cream dessert. Right? Anyway, Alaska's getting baked. Yeah. And it's hot here. It's the usual. It's the usual heat here. This is what I expect for Clear Lake in July. You gotta start a forest fire to get some cool going, Whoa. An earthquake this morning. Or was it yesterday? Well, they all blend together, And aftershocks. Shake and bake, huh? That's California for you.